Hello everyone, today we have a 2018 Tesla Model 3. It is a long range. Absolutely love what they've done under the hood here, or the frunk I should say. And this is actually my favorite Tesla color. It does have the aerodynamic wheels and the panoramic sunroof. And a really big trunk. I just love that panoramic roof. And there are wheels under these aerodynamic wheels. If you want to see those, you can just go to our website or Google them, and they're pretty cool looking. This is the Tesla vegan leather and suede. We have additional power supplies there in the back. Here's the Model 3 branding right there, and here's a shot of the VIN. Go ahead and hop in. Controls are very simple. Here are your Infotainment Interaction controls on your steering wheel. There's your reverse, neutral, and drive. I'm going to go ahead and lower the fan speed so that you can hear me better. There we go. Okay, this is where you would place your phone in order to charge it. And there's some additional stowage right here. And then your cup holder and additional stowage right there. And I'll just go ahead and run you through some of the more important things here. Obviously this is your navigation screen, and there are your radio screens with karaoke and all those fun things that they have loaded up in there. Go ahead and show you the backup camera. You see that it does have multiple cameras. Here's your energy usage map. And your charging, this one has 70 miles left on it. And then it will have the World Wide Web. And let's see, your entertainment, arcade and theater. You'll also have your toy box. And jumping down through all the quick controls, you'll be able to, fold your mirrors for parking. Okay, and then you've got your lights, your ambiance, your locks with your key cards and programming, your display, driving, set it for whatever your preference is. Here's your autopilot, your auto steer, and your navigation. It is equipped with that. Your beta versions of your traffic light, stop and sign control, full self-driving visualization preview, navigation, safety and security, service, and software. This is a very important page because it shows that you have a Model 3 long range, 27,853 miles on it, your VIN. Right here it shows you have the premium audio system, the full self-driving computer, the HomeLink 5 garage doors programmed into it, and you have full self-driving capability, which is a package that's included, and also premium connectivity. This particular vehicle does have a branded title. There was an impact here on the front, which you can see. It was only cosmetic, and we were able to get it all fixed up. Looks absolutely gorgeous. It has passed the 150-point inspection and the State of Utah Safety Inspection. We are the largest Tesla reseller in the area, so visit us at tjchapmanauto.com for more inventory.